Bonnie, happy Thursday! I am back! Oh my goodness, you guys, I've got a fun video. So I am part of Ipsy Open Studios, which means that each month Ipsy is gifting me their Glam Bag and their Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag comes in a little zip pouch. These are $12 for the subscription, and the Glam Bag Plus comes in the bag, and this is $25. And the theme for this month is flower power, and everything in the bag, it says, is inspired by roses, violets, poppies, and more. So completely appropriate for spring. So I think I'm going to do the little bag first. I'm going to do the Glam Bag. Like I said, these are $12. Super cute bag this month. I like the rose metallic little zipper tab on here. I always look at the little things. I think that's so cute. So I'm going to dig in here. The first thing we got is the Beauty Crop. Check this out. This is called Stuck on You, and this is an eye primer. I really like a good eye primer, mainly because I am over 50 years old, and if I don't put a primer on, I tend to not get a very good color saturation from my eyeshadow. So let me see if I can, oh, this is actually sealed. I don't know if I can open this really quick. I don't think I'm going to open this right now, but here's what it looks like. I'm excited, oops, there we go, to try this one out. Next up in this little bag, we have the, Olaplex Hair Protector number 3, repairs and strengthens all hair types. I am always happy to get a hair product to try out. This is super cute. It's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So I got one of those. I also got, little cute little package here. What is this? This is from Item. It is Quip Moisturizing Lip Oil. Let me see if I can open this without scissors. I don't think I'm succeeding here. Let me grab my scissors here. I'm just gonna snip the top of the thing off here. Cute little bag. Cute little lip balm. Check this out. Let me see what this is. I don't know if it has a scent or not. It's a lip oil. That feels good. Looks nice over my lipstick too. Check that out. So it's this cute little Item lip oil. Next up, we have a Kinship Self-Reflect. This is a probiotic moisturizing sunscreen. Oh, I'm in need of some sunscreen, you guys. Clean, vegan, cruelty-free, dermatology tested. Oops, can you see that? I'm always looking for a good sunscreen. And as I get older, now that I'm 51, I care a lot more about protecting my skin from the sun. I gotta admit, when I was younger, I didn't care as much. And I do notice, like, I do get some age spots along my temple here, and it's probably because I had a lot of sun exposure. So I try to protect my skin from the sun. So I'm really curious about this product. So I will definitely use that. So that's really cool. I like to try out new sunscreen. So that is pretty awesome. And then finally, in the small bag, the Glam Bag, I got Tula Skincare. This is a instant facial skin reviving treatment pad. So not bad. That's the $12 bag. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in there. Then we have the $25 Glam Bag. So this bag is so adorable. Look at this. I like this month. It's really silky, and it's pretty. So the first thing that I'm going to grab in here, I'm excited about this, Blush Rose from Ofra. I love blush. I have a whole blush collection. I always wear blush every single day, and this is Blossom into Full View with this mauve, dusty rose blush. I do like a good mauve blush. Let me see what this one looks like. Pretty, pretty, pretty packaging. Let's see. Check that out. This is a really nice shade for spring and summer. I like a dusty mauve. I really do. It goes with my complexion, so I'm excited about that. So that's pretty awesome. So I got a full-size blush. I also got, check it out, a palette. This is the Illuminati X Isa. Isabel Bedyada? I'm sure I botched this poor woman's name. Someone correct me, please. I'm going to open this up. Pretty packaging. Kind of matches my sweatshirt here. Okay, let me see what this one is. Oh, we got a mirror too. I always judge a palette by its mirror. I'm always excited to get a good mirror. This is pretty. Check that out. Look at that. I like the shades on here. I'm not a huge fan of like the lime green, the yellow, or the blue. Just does not go with me. However, I'm very intrigued by these two purples right here. I have a whole collection of purple eyeshadow, and I like a good purple, especially a sparkle. This one called Purple Dream is pretty. It's not super, oh yeah, it's a little more pigmented on my arm. I'm like, it's not coming off of my finger too well. I might need a makeup brush, but it actually looks, I don't know if you can see that. This is light. You can't really see it too well. I'm assuming you can layer these. Let me try the light one. Yeah, the light one's a little bit better. Can you see that on my arm? I think if you were to use the light one and then kind of layer with that sparkle one, it would be pretty. I'm also liking this Izzy. That's kind of a pretty sparkle right there. Wow, that's glittery. That's a whole lot of glitter. So, pretty palette. I also like these mauves here. Not bad. So we got the palette. That was pretty cool. And then we got the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner, Pores No More. I love any products from Dr. Brandt. This is always a good one to use. I've actually used this before. It's a pore purifying mask. Even at 51, I do tend to have pore issues, so I do like to mix in like pore products to my skincare routine. Next up, we have the one size, a gel eyeliner. That's kind of intriguing. I don't think I've had a gel eyeliner recently. Let me see what this is. Usually eyeliners, I have mixed feelings about eyeliners sometimes because a lot of times I'll just line my eye with eyeshadow using a brush. Why can't I get this out? But these gel eyeliners I've heard are really nice. So check that out. And oh, wow. That's actually really nice. Look at that. It's so smooth. Holy moly. I gotta try this. I think this might work on me. Like I said, if I get an eyeliner that's too much like a crayon or it's a little bit too hard, I have a hard time because as you age, your skin gets a little bit more creepy, unfortunately. Last thing in my bag is from House Laboratories. This is it's called the Glam Attack Gunmetal. It's an all-over metallic cream. It's a lip product. Check it out. Love the packaging on this. It looks very galactic. This would have been good for Star Wars Day. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, wow. Is this an eyeshadow? Wait a minute. Is this a lip product or is this eyeshadow? Okay, wait a minute. Hold the phone. This is an eyeshadow. I thought this was a lip product for some reason. I'm like, there's no way that this is a lip product. It's an eyeshadow. Okay, good thing I didn't put this on my lips. Not good. Okay, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this shade. This would be actually awesome if you were going to a Star Wars party and you wanted to kind of glam up your eyes with a little galactic, look at that. Galactic eyeshadow. I actually really like that. I may try this. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm impressed with this. It's not a lip product. It is an eye product. It would help if I read the product before I actually put it on. It's an all-over metallic cream. Do not use on inside of eye. That makes sense because it's very glittery. So anyway, these two together I think would make a really nice look. Actually, combined with this Illuminati palette, I think you could get a really nice look going on because there's some neat shades that kind of match the liquid eyeliner or the liquid eyeshadow and the gel eyeliner. So overall, a good good month for Ipsy. Like I said, I am gifted both bags from Ipsy as part of the Ipsy Open Studios. And I'm pretty happy with these. Let me know what you guys think. And I will put the link to Ipsy below if you're interested in trying them out. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.